How to fix Snapchat story not deleting. If you have post a story on your Snapchat application and you are not able to delete it now, then to solve it, this video is for you. First of all, what you need to do is make sure that you have logged into your Snapchat application. Now check if your internet connection is working fine or not. If your internet connection is lagging, then this might cause this issue. The other thing you can do is go to the settings in your Snapchat. Now scroll down a little bit there, you will see clear data option. Simply hit on that. From here, select Clear Cache and then hit on the Clear. Once you do that, your issue might be solved. If it is still not solved, then go through the App Store in your device and then on the searching bar, search for Snapchat. Now, hit on the Update button and make sure that you have updated all of your application. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.